What is Amazon FBA Wholesale? Amazon FBA Wholesale is a business model where sellers buy branded products in bulk from authorized distributors or manufacturers and resell them on Amazon using the fulfillment by Amazon FBA service. Instead of creating a new brand, sellers leverage existing well-known products with proven demand. Amazon handles storage, packaging, shipping, and customer service, allowing sellers to focus on sourcing profitable items and maintaining stock levels. This model is highly attractive because it's lower risk compared to private labeling. You don't need to invest heavily in branding or marketing. You sell established products people already trust. Wholesale sellers build long-term relationships with suppliers to access better prices and consistent inventory. It's a scalable model that benefits from stable product demand and repeat customers. Many successful wholesale sellers rely on Helium 10 to identify profitable products, analyze sales ranks, and track competition. Helium 10's advanced analytics reveal which wholesale products perform best, helping sellers make smarter purchasing decisions. It also provides insights into profit margins, keywords, and listing optimization, key factors that separate average sellers from top earners in the wholesale FBA market. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to analyze wholesale products, track profits, and grow your Amazon FBA business efficiently at no cost.